During this video, you will learn how to use zonal recognition to index documents more effectively. But why would we do this, and how can it help being more effective? Ultimately, we scan documents to be able to easily find them back later. Therefore, entering index data is very critical. But entering all this data manually is very time-consuming and error-prone. Thanks to zonal recognition, the computer can do the typing for you. The technology used in Kofax Express is also called OCR, which is short for Optical Character Recognition. It's fast and accurate. It can read machine-printed text, 13 types of barcodes, hand-printed text in many styles of boxes, and hand-printed text in a zone. Let's try this with Kofax Express. This is a test image representing different styles of index data. As you can see, we can just draw a zone and the image is instantly converted to searchable text in the index field. We can do this for many font types and font sizes. In the Barcode Setup tab, you can also define the barcode types you want to read for indexing. We'll set it up to read code 39 and QR code. Zonal recognition also works with hand-printed text in boxes. And it also works with hand-printed text in unsegmented zones. Finally, the special MICR or microtext, which you can often find on checks, can also be recognized. We will now demonstrate multiple scenarios how to use zonal recognition. The ad hoc scenario is typically used when the position of the index data on your documents varies a lot. We will show how to index loan account numbers which are on a different position on each document. We just draw a zone around the account number to enter it in the index field. Even faster is to just click in the left top corner of the account number. Kofax Express will read the number on the right side of the mouse click and fill it out instantly. This click method is even faster than drawing zones, and indexing a set of 10 letters takes us less than 30 seconds. Learning is an excellent scenario when you have multiple document sets with a fixed layout. Let's see it in action with a set of invoices. We want to index the invoices on supplier name, date and invoice number. We enable the memorize mode to learn the position of the zones for each invoice type as we index them. We draw the zones on the first invoice of the batch to fill out the 3 index fields. The next invoice is from the same supplier and has the exact same layout. Kofax Express remembers the zones for this particular layout and draws them for you. Also notice that Kofax Express compensates for registration problems. Even if the text floats around on the page, the zones snap to the correct position. When a new invoice layout comes up, we go through the same process and draw the zones for each of the index fields. And again, these zones are remembered for the next series of invoices of the same type. As you can see, with small and condensed text like this, the automatic registration is critical. Finally, let's index one more set of invoices. We draw the zones one time and just validate the other invoices of the same type. In other words, the learning scenario learns during the indexing process itself. And by the way, if a zone is not perfectly positioned the first time, you just redraw it on another sample. Kofax Express will remember the last drawn zone and forget the wrong one. The third and final scenario is called template. If your documents all have the same layout, template mode is ideal. We will demo this mode with schematics of spare parts. We want to index each schematic on spare part code. To set up a template, you actually start in memorize mode to learn the zone. Then you draw the zone on one sample. After learning the zone, you switch the mode to template in the index tab. The template is now permanently saved for this scan job, and every time Kofax Express recognizes a document matching the template, it will draw the recognition zone for you. We scan a new batch of schematics. After scanning, we start indexing. The template matches the documents and the zones are automatically positioned correctly. Sometimes the layout does not match. No problem, at any time you can draw the zone manually. The template definition is not affected by this manual zone, and other documents in the batch are matched with the original template. In summary, zonal extraction makes your scan process more effective by reducing typing errors and data entry work. Kofax Express can read machine-printed and hand-printed text and up to 13 different barcode types. 3 scenarios are supported. Ad hoc is used when the index information is never on the same place on your documents. The learn scenario memorizes the zones as you draw them during indexing and is ideal when you scan batches with various but repetitive layouts. Template is used for documents with a single fixed layout. This short video only covers Kofax Express at a high level. Kofax Express features an extensive help which you can access through the Help tab. Just press the Help button and navigate to the topic you want to know more about. If you want to try out Kofax Express for yourself, visit the Kofax website at www.kofax.com and download the Kofax Express trial today.